In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to access YouTube TV on your computer. To begin, open your internet browser and navigate to google.com. It's important to note that this method is compatible only with Opera, Google Chrome, and Firefox browsers. If you're using Microsoft Edge, this method will not apply. Once you've opened one of the compatible browsers, search for the YouTube TV extension. You'll find extensions available for Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. Simply install the extension corresponding to your browser. Although some extensions may work on Microsoft Edge, it's recommended to use Chrome, Opera, or Firefox for YouTube TV. After installing the extension, enable it and visit youtube.tv. You'll now have the option to access YouTube TV with the extension enabled. That's all it takes to watch YouTube TV on your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more content.